Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the drug inspector that is appointed by the central and the state government. This is the part of the drug advisory board and they are the decided and deemed as the public servants and one officially subordinate to the controlling authority. Second, he should be a person with out of any the financial interest and in the import, manufacture or sale of the drug or the cosmetics. Next is the qualifications of the DI. The persons must have a degree in the pharmacy, pharmaceuticals, chemistry, medicines with the specification. There are specializations in the clinical pharmacology, microbiology from a recognized Indian university. Second, for inspection of the manufacturer of the substance, a Schedule C, 18th month experience in manufacturing testings or at least in the Schedule C and gain the experience of analytics in the 3 years in the injections of the films manufacturing there are the inspections any of the substance of Schedule C during their the tenure or the service DI. In today's class I discuss about the qualification of DI and drug inspector qualifications. Thank you.